I have lived here. I lived here. I have been living here. Wait, aren't they the same? Not at all. Today we're going to break this down so clearly that you'll never be confused again. All right, let's go step by step. Step 1. Understand the big idea. These three tenses are different because they focus on different things. Past simple, time, or finished. Present perfect, experience, or focuses on the result now. Present perfect continuous, duration, or how long, and it is still happening now. Remember this: time, experience, and duration. That's your key. Step 2. Past simple. We use it when the action is finished, the time is clear or understood. Its structure is subject plus verb to. Examples: I lived here in 2020. I lived here for 5 years. It means, but now I don't. Key idea: we use simple past if the action is done, finished, and no connection to now. Bear in mind, if you mention a specific past time, you must use past simple. Example: this sentence is incorrect. I have eaten yesterday. But this sentence is correct. I ate yesterday. Easy so far, right? Step 3. Present perfect. We use it when the action started in the past and is still true now, or we care about the experience. The structure of present perfect is subject plus have, or has plus verb 3. Examples: I have lived here for 5 years. I have lived here since 2020. These two sentences mean you still live here. Key idea: we don't say when. We care about the result. Let's compare these two sentences. I ate. This sentence is simple past, and it means I ate sometime in the past. While I have eaten, this is a present perfect tense. It means I have finished eating, and the result now, I'm full. This is where many learners get confused. Now the last one. Step 4. Present perfect continuous. We use it when the action started in the past, is still happening now. We focus on the duration or process. Structure: subject plus have, or has plus been plus verb ing. Examples: I have been living here for 5 years. I have been living here since 2020. These two sentences mean you still live here, but you emphasize the ongoing activity. Got it right! Step 5. What's the difference? Now you might ask, wait, I have lived here and I have been living here sound the same. Yes, very similar, but not identical. Let's compare. I have lived here for 5 years. It means this is a fact or situation. While I have been living here for 5 years, it means this is an event, activity, or an ongoing feeling. So, think like this. Have lived. It is a stable fact. While have been living. It is an ongoing action. Step 6. Quick comparison. Let's make it super clear. Let's compare all three. 1. I lived here. It means, it was sometime in the past, but I don't live here now. 2. I have lived here. This means, I still live here, but when I say this sentence, I focus on the fact 5 years. 3. I have been living here. And this means, I still live here, but I focus on duration or activity. Same idea, different focus. Quiz time! Question 1. I, here in 2018. A, have lived. B, lived. C, have been living. Correct answer, B, lived. Explanation. We have a specific time, 2018, so we must use past simple. Question 2. I, here for 3 years, and I still love this place. A, lived. B, have lived. C, have been living. Correct answer, B, have lived. Explanation. This shows a fact that is still true now, so we use present perfect. Question 3. I, here for 3 hours. I'm so tired. A, have lived. B, lived. C, have been living. What's your answer? Comment below. Did you choose A, B, or C for number 3? Write your answer in the comments. I'll reply to you. If this lesson helped you finally understand the difference, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't for more simple English lessons. See you in the next video.